I'm replacing an Armstrong Air Conditioning Concept 1200 believed to have been bought on the cheap, close out, by the contractor who built the house. I'm installing new a 4-ton Rheem 13 on 48L1. I need an estimate of the Armstrong's installed costs so I can reduce the cost basis of my house for tax purposes.
Hello. My name is XXXXX Do my best to assist you. Answers are not always one-liners. Please hit reply button for further assistance. Thanks. Are you looking for the costs of equipment and labor? Gas, heat, or electric? Or just the outdoor unit?
Outdoor Armstrong electric unit need installed cost, equipment, and labor.
Indoor and outdoor unit?
The first word in my prior reply was outdoor. Are you looking for something else beyond this? Compressor only is outside. Does this help?
I see that, my apologies. The average installation price for an Armstrong 4-ton 12-SEER straight cool unit would have been about $1,600 installed. Hope this helps.
I am more than pleased. Sorry for my delay in response. I am operating out of my office at this point and was distracted.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.